What's up, guys? Clayford08 here with another Market Watch Monday. Now, last week we talked about Bitcoin and Ethereum and why I thought that they were going to dictate the way the rest of the market essentially worked out over the course of the next week, and I was absolutely correct. We saw a dip in Bitcoin and Ethereum both, and the rest of the market bled due to the correction of Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can already see that the market is going back up. Now, whether this is a real uptrend or just a bullish trap, it's really hard to say at this point. So I highly advise you to be very cautious over the next few days. That's why today, again, I'm not going to be issuing any predictions on any of the cryptocurrencies over the next week. I'm just going to talk about Bitcoin and what I think could play out. So there are several things that could play out here. One, we continue to see the uptrend that we're seeing now. Now, obviously right now, it's just going straight back up to its last mark. We corrected 50% from the beginning of the year. So the uptrend that we saw all the way up until the beginning of July, late June, from the beginning of the year, we saw a 50% correction on that over the past week. And now we're seeing about a 25% uptrend. So it's really difficult to say what could happen here. This could just be a bullish trap, like I was saying. And if that's the case, we might see some lower lows than we've seen over the past week. So I really issue caution on getting back into the market so soon. Now, if I'm wrong, you could miss out on some money, so it's really up to you if that risk is worth it. There have been some other coins, though, over the past week that you could have really made some money off of swing trading. Like, I think STEEM was one of them that you could have made some money off of. Another one of them that was really good for swing trading over the past week was Golos. Look at the swings on Golos. For those of you that don't know what Golos is, it's the Russian version of STEEM. So cryptocurrencies like this that have these beautiful swings, you can really profit off of. And it's up to you whether or not you want to take that sort of risk. But with Bitcoin being very unstable right now, not knowing the future of it, it's hard to say. Now, I did read today that it's looking very optimistic for Bitcoin as far as coming to a solution. For those of you that don't know about BIP 91, I would definitely look into that and read about it. There were several articles that were put out today that talk about it and what it could potentially bring to the Bitcoin table. So read those and keep an eye out for potential swings on any of these other cryptocurrencies if that's what you want to do with your investments. However, I can't tell you what to do with your investments. Like I always tell you guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just what I think could potentially play out over the next week with Bitcoin and the rest of the market. Again, be very cautious. But if you can make some money, go ahead and do so, guys. And the best of luck to you. That's going to be it for today. Clayford08 out.